To send Phantom Wallet Import Wallet, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser and a Solana account created. Next, open the Phantom Wallet extension and click on the settings icon, then click on Import Wallet. You will be asked to choose the method to import your wallet. You can import from a private key, a mnemonic seed phrase, or a JSON file. Choose the method that applies to you and follow the prompts to import your wallet. If you are importing from a private key or mnemonic seed phrase, you will be asked to enter the key or phrase and create a new password. If you are importing from a JSON file, you will be asked to upload the file and create a new password. After you have imported your wallet, you will be asked to create a new password and set up two-factor authentication to secure your account. It is essential to keep your private key, mnemonic seed phrase, and password safe, as anyone with access to these can access and control your wallet. Always use a secure password and enable two-factor authentication to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. After setting up your imported wallet, you can use it to send and receive Solana and other Solana-based assets. To send assets, click on the Send tab, enter the recipient's address, and the amount you want to send. Then click Send. Before sending, make sure you have sufficient balance in your wallet to cover the transaction fee. It is also crucial to double-check the recipient's address, as transactions on the Solana blockchain are irreversible. By following these steps, you can easily import your wallet to Phantom Wallet and start sending and receiving assets on the Solana blockchain. Always prioritize security and be cautious when handling your private key and password to avoid any potential loss of funds.